Hi, this is Tom Olsewski with Team Olsewski and Coldwell Bank. And I want to welcome you to this video series. Over the years, I have always been asked lots of questions pertaining to real estate. And in this series, I will answer some of the top questions that I have been asked over the years. The home buying process and the home selling process isn't so easy. As a real estate agent, I feel that it is my job to help you get the best deal and secure a happy house for a lifetime. Sometimes, such as in a tight inventory market, just getting the house can be a win. So buyers and sellers have options if they want to use an agent, and I appreciate my clients tremendously. So are you ready to buy or sell a home? You might have a few questions, including, where do I start? I have heard a lot of questions about buying, selling, renting, or building a home, and I've narrowed the top questions down to just 15. So if you are buying, selling, or both, you might find the answers you are looking for throughout this video series. You can also look at my YouTube channel and video blog. They also have a number of helpful videos. So if you're looking for answers, please check them out. So stay tuned as I provide a number of videos to answer your top questions. I hope this will be helpful. And remember, if you have an immediate question, please feel free to reach out to me or my team. And there will be a slide at the end of this video on ways to contact us and information about the YouTube channel and video blog. So for now, thanks and make it a great day.